My take on Haitian flattened fried plantains. Thanks to my dear girlfriend of Haitian origin, who agreed to introduce me to this Haitian recipe 20 years ago, prior to wash the plantain peelings. With love, select the most unripe bananas for a better result for this particular recipe. So you can see the water is boiling. We need hot water, but not boiling water. So I just add some cold water to it to lower down the water temperature to finally get hot water. And again, not boiling water, because I don't want to cook the bananas. I just need to soften the peelings. So soak the whole plantains for 5 minutes. So again, the goal here is to soften the skin, therefore making an easy and efficient peeling. 5 minutes later, get rid of the two extremities. Use the tip of a sharp knife. By putting my index finger like this, I can easily make 5 millimeters deep cut on the skin from one end to the other. I'm making 2 to 3 cuts. With an unsharp knife, such as a butter knife, lift the skin up or simply peel it with your fingers. Make sure to keep the flesh intact. Cut each plantain diagonally into 3 to 4 pieces. Turn on the stove to a little bit past medium heat. The goal is to soften the plantains just enough so they can be flattened, not to cook them completely. And make good use of the oil by filling all the spaces. 2 minutes later, using a clear Pyrex plate, with a slight rotative motion, push to flatten the plantain to around 1.3 centimeter thick. Put the flattened piece back into the oil and so on. Another way to do it is to turn off the heat and flatten every piece before putting them back in the oil over the heat again. That's the way written in the book. Choose the most convenient way for you. I love using a clear plate such as this one because I can easily see the shape and adjust the thickness of my flattened plantains. The second frying part should only last around 2 minutes. Make sure to turn every piece upside down once. You see this simple technique to drain and to stack every piece? It allows to drain the maximum oil. By removing a piece from the oil, I can add another one in. Consciously shorten the frying time as much as possible for a health matter, so we don't need to over-golden nor even burn food. Using a pair of kitchen tongs is an alternative to kitchen chopsticks. I suggest you to sprinkle some paprika to taste, sea salt or Himalayan salt, red pepper powder on both sides. Now serve your loved ones first. Oh my god, I can't wait. My gluttony takes over. Creating this cooking video makes me starve.